Alright, so we just arrived at Johnson's Canyon. It's pretty busy as per expected, but I don't recall how long this hike is. I think it's like 2-hour round trip. We're probably gonna be like messing around like we did everywhere, so it's probably take us like 3, but yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite hikes for sure. So you can probably see why I like this hike so much. This stream is absolutely gorgeous. It's like super clear, super blue. Dope. So this is pretty much the biggest waterfall of this entire area. It's pretty big.